We are going to learn the how to create AWS, how to create EC2 instance in our AWS account. Okay, so for this is my GitHub repository. You will see all the codes here. So now this is the terraform repository. So here you have to type the EC2. You will see that there is the two type of resource: data resource and resource. So what is the resource? Resource means the resource which you wanted to create on your AWS account, and data resource means which you wanted to fetch any value which is already created on your account. Like means suppose the VPC which is already got created and you wanted to fetch the subnet ID, okay, which you can use on your EC2 creation code. Okay, so but now we are going to create EC2 instance. So this is the value which we are going to use it. Okay, already I have prepared the code for that, and this is the code to create the EC2 instance. This is the main.tf, and you can see that here I have used the instance core underscore map, and this is a key name. So what does mean? So map means like in this way. Okay, so always remember, map always start with this curly braces. Okay, so why we are using map here? Okay, so the advantage of the map is that we can declare these values in a single variable. Okay, so but if you use in this way, suppose if you wanted to, so if you wanted to use like this var.ami, so it will, so you have to create the four variable inside the variable.tf. Okay, but we are using instance underscore map. So we have to just declare the instance map, which is one variable. Okay, and here we are using the map function, so that's why here we have written map. Okay, and we are using string, so we are using map of string. Okay, and this is a tag, and tags I have used for map as well. Okay, you can see that inside the main.tf I have used the merge function. So merge function is means to merge the two variables. Okay, so here I have used the var.tags, and here I've used the local.default tags. Okay, so var.tags means like suppose this is my tag variable. Okay, and here I have given the uh, environment is equal to dev. Okay, and this is my local.tf, which is having a default tag. Okay, so it will give the default tags. Okay, so whoever will use it, this default tag will remain the same for him or her, but in the variable.tf you can change it. Okay, so now we are going to do our terraform init. So it will show you so currently here I have written the code for the AWS instance, how to can resource it and the variables, and I have used the provider here of AWS, which is the region where I where I have given the region and the profile. Okay, now I will run the terraform plan. In this video, I will show you that how to create the EC2 instance, but in my next video, I will show you that how to create the module of your AWS EC2 instance, and how to write the provisioner. Okay, means how to call the uh, module from the provisioner itself. Okay, so you can name the like module as a source and the provisioner as a target, or you can call this as a module and provisioner as a provisioner. Okay, so now the plan has been came, and you can see all the parameter are showing here. And what I will do, I will use the terraform apply hyphen auto approve. So what it does, it will uh, when we use the type of apply hyphen auto hyphen approve, so it doesn't ask you for any prompt. Okay, like for yes or no, and it will it means that your user answer is yes, so it will start applying the resource on your account. Okay, and we will, in this video we will also learn that how we can use the output. Okay, so now it will take like 1 or 2 minutes for the apply, and in the meanwhile you can see this is my GitHub repository. Okay, and you can find all the codes here of your Kubernetes or of your Terraform, and you can use it. Okay, so this is the um, this is the repository HAFT Terraform. You can see here I have written the code of EC2.tf for other parameters. Okay, so now my instance is creating. Okay, and you can see that in my left hand side there the some file has been created. Okay, so when you are creating the Terraform, uh, it will create the terraform tf state file as well. Okay, so currently on my local, I didn't use any backend here to store the tf state. Okay, so that's why you are seeing it that terraform tf state is lying uh, on my present directory. Okay, so this is the terminative state, and you can see that currently this file is empty. Okay, but after the successful creation of the EC2 instance on my account, after that you will see the full information that what is the instance name and what is the CPU count, what is AZ, what is key name, everything you can see on this terraform.tf state file. So currently your EC2 server creation is in progress. Okay, and I will push the code on my GitHub account. So, and I will also put it my GitHub link on my video description, so you can easily uh, copy the code from there. Okay, so it will just take the hardly 15 to 30 seconds. Okay, and now it is creating. In the meanwhile we will check that how to use the output in terraform. Okay, so currently you can see that here I haven't used any output.terraform, and you can see that one apply has been created by, but I didn't got any output here like your what is your public IP, what is a public DNS. Okay, so what we will do, we will create one file which is output.tf, and here we write the syntax for that, and we will use the like this public IP, and here we will use the value. And what is also how to get the value that, so you have to use the resource name, resource variable, which is name with AWS instance dot web. So why we have used the web, because container resource name is web. Okay, and when you go down you can see the argument difference here, so it means that you can use in your output. So I will use the public DNS, public IP. Okay, and I will go it dot. Okay, now same I will do for that, but now I'm not running with the Terraform apply option. Okay, I will use the auto proof. Okay, so it will give me the public IP of my server. Okay, so in this way we are calling the output. Okay, the how to generate the output. So in this way we are doing it. Okay, so in the meanwhile like we can see that this is the terraform.tf state file. Okay, and you can see that which Terraform version we are using, which is a 14.7, and everything it will show on this file. Okay, like it will give you a complete information. Okay, and what instance state and what instance type, everything we can get it from here. Okay, And now it's hardly, it will take 15 seconds, uh, and it will give the output of your um, created EC2 instance public IP. Okay, and here we given the value here. Okay, so this is the thing which I wanted to share with you. And you can add the other parameter as well, like if you wanted to give the you wanted to create the elastic IP. Okay, so you can use this module of terraform. Okay, and if you wanted to create the key pair, so you can use this module code as well. Okay, and same thing, you can see that this is the argument attribute reference. Okay, so what is the difference, like what is argument difference and what is attribute difference? So argument difference is that you can use on your resource, like what you wanted to give the key name, what is you wanted to give the key name prefix. Okay, and so these values you can use inside your uh, AWS location. And attribute function that which you can use in your output to get the ID and ARM for this. Okay, now my terraform apply has been done, and you can see the public IP has been created. Okay, so uh, that is that is today for now. That is much today for now. Uh, like the video and share the video. Thank you.